So if you want to smell like you walked off the plane in Jamaica, you know, you just want to go see the mango guava. Yes.
Hey everyone, it's Geoffrey, and I'm here in Baltimore, and I'm here to help Harp Vision. And they have a big order to fulfill, and they called on me for some help.
Hey April, hey Tyron.
What's up?
I'm excited to be here in Baltimore.
We're excited to have you.
Yes! What are we about to get into? What are we doing today?
So right now we're getting ready we're doing some welcome back packages for the teachers at a local school.
Okay, well, let's do it. Can you describe what it is and what y'all do?
So Harp Vision, we're a local social enterprise in Baltimore, and we offer mineral infused all natural body care that helps with mental and physical discomfort. I have fibromyalgia, April has endometriosis. We met a lot of other people who were dealing with similar issues, and that created the business. So it wasn't something that we sought out of, but it was something that, you know, found us.
Yes.
The community found you. All right, so y'all been up to some big things recently. Y'all just got to deal with a big hotel. Like, what's next?
So more hospitality relationships, we love that aspect of doing business to business, because it helps us with doing our community impact.
So the great thing about having a GoDaddy employee help us was to get a little inside scoop on whatever GoDaddy's cooking up next.
So excited to be here with y'all, the Harpers, and we talk about Harp Vision. You talked a little bit about selling in person. What do you see when you do sales online? How does that interact? How are you interacting with your seller or your buyers online?
So the great thing about the online component is when someone messages us through our website, it actually goes through our email and we can chat with them in real time. So normally when we sell online, once we fulfill the order, we can put in the tracking information, we can customize the messaging. It allows our customers to connect with us directly once they check out.
Working with Tyron and April, they are amazing communicators. This is just a fraction, and maybe $1,200 worth of products right here. They really had a vision to make this come to fruition, and they stuck with that, and they stuck with each other. And they're well on their way to becoming even more successful business owners.